In this lesson, I'm going to teach you about specific things. And before I go to that thing, let's have a clear understanding of what is going on. So here, this is the document. This is what we have after clicking blank, you know. So you have this home tab. So this thing, if you move to this, you are moving from one tab to another tab. I am now moving from WPS PDF tab to insert tab, from insert tab to draw tab. So that is what is so-called tabs. We have a lot of tabs, and if you hear someone asking you, you move to the draw tab or design tab, I think you will be in position to know what you are really doing. Another thing that we have, it is what is so-called ribbon. Ribbon, it is an area from here to here. So this is what is so-called ribbon. So from here to here, okay? So this is what is so-called ribbon. So we have ribbon and we have what? We have tab, okay? So when you come here, we have what is so-called customized quick access toolbar, or in most cases, it is called quick access toolbar. So this is designed to help you to do some cool stuff with it. Like if there are some of the things that are very far, you can just customize everything and you put it here. And that's why it is called quick access toolbar. You have a quicker access to them. Okay. So we have here the undo, we have the redo, we have emails. Here we have draw table. You can really customize this quick access toolbar if you want new document now and then and you don't want to go here, okay, you go and click new. So you can just put it there in the quick access toolbar, and by that it will really help you. Even print and preview, you can put print and preview instead of clicking Control P, or you come here, you come here, you click print, it is it is long way and it will not help you in productivity at all. And that's why quick access toolbar is really here for you. You just click it and you are in the same in the same page. Okay, so that is what is so called quick access toolbar. So this quick access toolbar, it is normally here, up here, but if you need it to bring it here, you can just do it. So let's take it back where it is always there. So here it says show above the ribbon. As I have told you, this area here, it is called ribbon. This area here, from here to here, it is called ribbon. So show above the ribbon. So the quick access toolbar will go above the ribbon. So if you click here, show below the ribbon, it will now come below the ribbon. So as the name suggests, quick access toolbar, it is your convenient way to really access cool stuff with it quickly. So it is advisable to have it here, compare it here. Here it is a long distance compared to here. So that is that. So aside tabs, we also have what we call section. And section, you will find it in every tab. Like in this home tab, we have the clipboard section, we have the font section, we have the paragraph section, the style section, editing section, WPS, PDF section. Likewise, if you move to design tab, you will also have the same things. So like from here to here, it is section for what? Document formatting. And we also have a section of what? Page background. So that is that. So mailing, we also have section, 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 and section. So what is the use of section? Section is basically you group a lot of related things together and you put them into section. Okay, it will help you in your productivity. Let's assume that if we have maybe bold, we have it here, or we have this one here in paragraph. So everything will be messy, and that's why everything it is now put in a smaller section. So section will really help you, and it will help you a lot in your productivity. So that is section. At time section might not be enough. So you will have what we call this extension here. This extension here is called dialog box launcher. So if there are a lot of things that are not fitting this section, you can just expand it like this, and you see for the case of this, everything is fitting. So now let's come here. Like, you will have a lot of cool stuff that you can play with here. Here, this is the advanced setting. So it is like that. So every part, like here, if there are things that are not included there, you can always check this extension here, and you will have more understanding about that. So up to here, ladies and gentlemen, I have just walked you through so that you have a broader understanding of what is here in Microsoft Word. So tomorrow, if I talk about tab, so you will no longer be confused. You will know that these are the things that are called tab. When I say the ribbon, you will know it is this area from here to here. When I say quick access toolbar, you will know it is this. When I say section, you will know what is the meaning of section. So up to this far, I'm going to stop here and just come tomorrow so that you learn about clipboard section, font section, and paragraph section. So we'll take these three sections and we learn an in-depth understanding about this. Thank you so much. If you are not a subscriber up to this point, go ahead and subscribe. Also comment and like our videos.